I'm back in the car. I got all my stuff loaded up. Are you guys ready to hear how much money I made today? Right now I am sending in the last draft for my planner, and I have already actually paid for it to be printed. I just wanted to check on the file one more time, and I do see some errors, so I'm getting that in. Doing printers is expensive. You're gonna have to make a lot of changes in order to get it into the price range you want, because you don't want to charge an arm and a leg to people who want to buy your planner. After I send this file today, it's going to be working on my online site so that you guys can actually buy it up there. Then from there, we're gonna try to work on pop-up shops. Where to sell your planner, where to sell your item when or if you don't have an online presence. Okay, so as you can see, these prices, everything is more expensive in America. But if I wanted to do 10, it would be $430. And if I were to do 25 of those, it would be $836. So that is my wholesale price. Of course, if you buy more, you're gonna get a better price for the unit. But 10 at this size is gonna be $283. If I buy 25, it's gonna be $652, and you get a lower price as you go. Okay, so my idea for selling my planners is to go to pop-up shops. So this is a small business pop-up shop, and it's in Hampton, which is not too far away from me, and it costs $30 to set up a table and to get in. You also have to pay like vendor fees. I don't know how much those are yet, but it's $30 February 5th. So hopefully I have my planners by then, and I'm gonna push checkout to secure my spot at this event. We're gonna see how much money you can make in a pop-up shop, and not only online. Let me show you guys my account I made for my business. So I didn't really get much footage of me making this, but this is what I made. I also decided to add more covers. So a lot of people voted for this flower one. So of course we're gonna have the flower one. This one's actually available now, but I wanna make it better. I wanna make it better. So that's why this site hasn't gone online yet. I took these pictures a few days ago. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have totally seen the behind the scenes of this. Okay, so how do you find things to mail your products in? You can totally buy them when you go to the UPS store, but what I did was I found poly mailers, and I bought them in a little small bulk. So these are the poly mailers that I'm gonna have for my business. It says, hello, I'm what you've been looking for. And this is a set of 100. And I just wanted something a little bit more personalized. And of course it's pink, I love pink. So you can go on Amazon and type in poly mailers, and a lot of them will pop up for you guys, so you can choose what kind of poly mailers and stickers you want to put on your products. And this only cost me $18.99, and I get free shipping because of Prime, and I write all of this off on my taxes. Speaking of, I gotta write all of this stuff that I just bought in my planner. I'm gonna do that right when I'm done with this. And then I also got some thank you cards. So I got the pink ones and gold. So you guys are gonna get this. I'm gonna write maybe a special message on the back, maybe sign the back of this thank you card, and you guys are gonna get that with your orders. All right, you guys, today is the day that I get to see the samples of my planners that I made, and I'm so excited. This is the first one.
And that's another thing for what I wanted to talk to you about.
This is the full color one, so you gave it like a full tab because I didn't have the. Yay!
So, oh well.
Wait, no, keep.
Okay, gotcha. So I was thinking.
Okay, y'all. I was just setting up the Facebook page for my planners, and I boosted one post, and someone came on and bought 3 planners, and I'm not even ready to go live yet. Like, I have it, but oh my god, I didn't mean for this to happen. But it's gonna happen. The kids are helping pack the first order. So we have the shipping package. What's that say?
What you've been waiting for.
What is it really?
She needs to get stickers too. Getting the purple planner under here.
Oh.
So it's all the way under there.
This is cute.
It's supposed to be pink, but it's not.
Like a light pink.
One of these.
So she's getting the pink planner. And then she's getting my
You made these
prototype planner that's in my car. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready for my pop-up shop. it's not for another 2 weeks, but I have this PayPal card reader and I'm trying to figure out how to get it started. It's updating on my phone so I can accept cards at the pop-up shop. Hey guys, so I wanted to pop on here to do a really quick insert for what's happening this weekend. So I actually signed up for another pop-up shop. It's a little bit more expensive. I wanted to show you guys, like, if you're a business owner and you want to start going to pop-up shops but you don't have the money to start your own product, like, it is really expensive to make your own product. There is a wholesaling website that I have found, and it connects small businesses with other small businesses so that you guys can use their products for your business. So I am starting up with this Melio payment for vendors. You send out payments to people that you want to buy their products with for your business. I'm looking at adding like purses or jewelry onto my website. Like, I'm a girl, I love accessories. So not only do I want to have my planners up there, but I also want to have jewelry. So I am adding or looking to add in from these small wholesalers, and you can only get on this website if you have a business license. So this is just for the people who want to open up a business. So I'm giving you a free tidbit here. This is a website that you can get wholesale for. Ooh, I love this one. So I'm going to add this into my cart and then add them on to pay for my Melio payment. So I put it through so that I can pay her for that, and I want to be adding necklaces. Obviously, I'm not making my own necklaces. I'd rather support other small businesses through their wholesaling, and a lot of them are in America, if not all American owners. The other thing that I really like with Melio is that if you're a business that does services, or you do sell a product but you don't have a website, you can also request payments with Melio. So I really like it. It's super quick, it's super easy, and you can do it for free. So I like to use them as my small businesses, and I'll be adding them in with like my vending opportunities to buy machines from different people around here, as well as maybe even sell some of my machines up there. But if you guys want to do Melio and you're a new small business, or you're just a small business in general, then go ahead and just use my link down below to sign up with them. Also, check out HelloBound. That's not sponsored. It's just another way to help other small businesses, get you in contact, get you to know where you can do wholesaling products if you want to open up a business and start doing these vendor events. Alright guys, I'm at the pop-up shop. The other one got canceled, so we're at a new one. My heart is beating. It's in an apartment complex, which gives me pause because it's not like open to the public. So fingers crossed, my heart is beating. It's gonna go good. And if it doesn't, at least I tried. At least you tried at the end of the day. So let's hope. Positive mindset. This is my first customer. You know you got the mask on, so you gotta speak up.
Oh, dang.
Show them what you're getting.
Getting that hustle on.
Yeah, you get the hustle planner.
Got it.
Ooh,
Come support Jazz.
the small business.
That's it. Mom getting what she wants.
As they should. Woo! I hope you guys come back with your mom or your friends. Yay, we have Rachel. She got 2 of them. They're so cute. I love. What do I need to do to make my life better? And we don't have babies. Okay, so she just got the meditation journal. Look at that, it's so cute. And then what do you do?
Hello everyone, my name is Trina and I'm a travel agent.
She has her card right here.
Business is Gallivanting with Sapphire.
Oh, beautiful. Here you go. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are packing up now. Here are my thoughts. I think I made either $200 or a little over $200. A lot of people like to sell online because you can do it at home and it's perfect, right? If you have a following. But not everybody has a following. And you can make a lot of friends, a lot of business-minded friends going to pop-up shops. So I think this is a great idea. Sorry, there's a train. To try to make money for yourself. So I am carrying along all of my planners. I sold out of 2 journals. I did pretty well. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Stupid train. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts when I get home and I can add up everything and I can tell you guys the merchandise that I sold. I'm back in the car. I got all my stuff loaded up. Are you guys ready to hear how much money I made today? So mind you, the table cost me $50 for 4 hours. I made $313 today. I can't believe it. I came in thinking I wanted to do at least $100. $50 for the table, $50 profit. Even though I knew that meant that I would have taken a loss on my products, I wouldn't have made any profit, technically. But I wanted to not go home empty-handed and have wasted $50 and not made anything. So I came in with the goal to at least make back what I made. And I did that. I really can't believe it. So in my planners, I put your affirmations and your monthly goals. And my monthly goal was to make $300 from planners. I think I said within $100 to $300 in 1 month. And I have exceeded that. That's just gross. That is not all profit, but as a start. I just keep telling people today that at least I tried. And trying was my best. And it went way more than I thought it would. So if you have a product that you're trying to sell and you just think like everybody always pushes you to do online, do it online, market, but it's not working, then try something new. Try pop-up shops. This is why I wanted to do this, to show you that you can do it without a following. You can do it. So what I did was I found places online, Instagram and Facebook groups that are small businesses. They always post pop-up shop flyers, and I applied, and this was my first one ever. I could not get mine to go through, but that's okay. Bigger and better. You guys, I'm blessed, really blessed.